Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use the Ultimaker Digital Factory add-in. For those who are not familiar with Ultimaker Digital Factory, it is an online 3D print controller platform for Ultimaker printers, which allows you to manage, send and queue prints for the Ultimaker printers all remotely. This add-in is a connector between Autodesk Fusion 360 and the Ultimaker Digital Factory and its services. It allows you to link your Ultimaker account and therefore share your Fusion projects to it. Having downloaded the app from the App Store, open Fusion 360 and open a project. There will now be a 3D print option in the ribbon in the design workspace. Clicking this will open a dialog where we can choose the Ultimaker printer and print setting we want to use for our print. Having selected these, we will OK the dialog. This will automatically create our setup. And if we're happy with the part placement, we can select Upload to Ultimaker Digital Factory. Here, we'll have to sign into our Ultimaker account. Having done that, we can select to either upload our design data to an existing project in our Ultimaker Digital Factory account, or create a new one. In this case, we'll create a new project to upload our design data to, and eventually our print file. Great! Now, use the app again to access Ultimaker Digital Factory and view our newly created project with our design data. Excellent, that has uploaded. Now, let's jump back into Fusion 360 to continue our workflow. This is the opportunity to edit some of the print settings if needed, but if not, we can go ahead and generate our toolpath. Check the simulation to make sure we are happy with the result. And then post-process to generate our print file, making sure we have set the correct printer setup in the post properties on the right. Clicking post will create our print file. Finally, the last step is to upload the print file to our Ultimaker Digital Factory project that we created earlier. For this, we will navigate back to Ultimaker Digital Factory and select our print file. In the future, this print file creation and upload will be done automatically via the app in Fusion 360. Great! Now let's send our print file to our printer and enjoy the benefits of printing remotely. Thank you very much for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more videos. If you have any questions, you can reach us at the Fusion Manufacturer User Forum at forums.autodesk.com.